Well, nice guy. Now, after all the pretty ladies, I've got one of the players with me, one of the pretty boys of Chennai Rhinos, Karthik with me. Karthik, well done. You're looking good so far. I mean, the game has suddenly changed. Kerala strikers were looking good at one point, but your team has, got it back.
Well, we have our backs against the wall after the first defeat, and we're playing like underdogs right now. I think we have nothing to lose. We're going to win every match up to the finals, and then we'll see the finals.
Well, I can imagine, because in the break he was telling me that their run rate is negative. So I guess it's too early for that to calculate so much and getting too deep into this.
Well, never too early to have a thumping victory. So we'd like a thumping victory. We don't want to close. So we're going to make this one count.
Well, I'm glad that at least, there's this feeling that everybody is so competitive, which makes me feel that, everybody's trying so hard. This is a pleasant surprise for me.
Absolutely. I think I think we cease to be actors now. Or rather, we're acting very well being cricketers right now. So I think it's a serious game.
So tell me honestly, what is easier, acting or playing cricket?
Well, I think acting is much simpler. We have our air-conditioned caravans. I think playing in the Indian heat is rather difficult, and the only other international venue being Dubai doesn't make it easy. So acting would be much simpler.
Well, this is great. This is one of the international grounds. Superb ambience. It must be a great thrill to play in front of such a big crowd, live.
It's a huge thrill, and the grounds are such good grounds. I mean, almost carpeted grounds. We can fall and for the camera, and so that we look good fielding. So, well, it's an honor playing in these fields.
So no retakes, only live.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's the difficult part.
So what is an easy target for you? You think 140 you will be able to chase? Doesn't look like they'll get to 140, but
110, and we hope to wrap up in 15 overs. I think that'll be a dream day for us.
So there you go. Such confidence, just wrapping it up early and winning big is a motto. Tomorrow, another game tomorrow. Any change in the squad? You're not playing today.
I'll be playing tomorrow, and I'm bowling spin tomorrow. So it's a toughy track, and we played our extra seamer today. I think that's kind of paid off outside.
Yeah, I mean, your team management must be doing a lot of thinking, playing players according to track. You've got a big squad. They've got 11 players there. There are about 15 wearing 11 t-shirts out there with some pretty ladies there as well.
Extra uniforms. That's just extra uniforms. We have a squad of 16, and we're about resting 3 right now.
Well, the reigning champions, all the best, and hope to have a good game. All right, all the best. There you go, boys.
Well, so rightly said. I think even they understand that how difficult this game is. I think he's just confessed. I think there's a chance of a catch here. Playing over third man. Looking to go for square cut, getting the upper edge on that occasion. Kodieri managed to get a boundary for his side after a long time.
ऐसे ही शॉट्स की ज़रूरत है इस समय केरला स्ट्राइकर्स की, इस मैच को और ज़्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव करने के लिए, इसको और चैलेंजिंग करने के लिए। बड़ा मज़ा आया वो इंटरव्यू सुनकर, देखकर संजय। अतुल बात कर रहे थे वहाँ पर कार्तिक से। A very pleasant surprise for him to comment on the fact that acting is far easier than playing cricket, especially in this kind of condition here. Yeah, well, that's what it is all about. What we have enjoyed so far is the intensity and the competitiveness shown by all the players. Hard work is required in both the fields, whether you're acting or you're playing cricket. But I think it's the skill aspect which has come to the fore here by these actors. So which is so refreshing to see.
Let's there's a possibility if they run hard, manage to get a second run. It's good running between the wickets. After 17, it's 106 for 7.
End of 17 overs, 106 for 7. Last few overs coming up for the Kerala Strikers.